Hello everyone. So today I got the new product which I'm going to unbox in front of you. This product is going to help me in tracing the embroidery on the fabric. So here we'll unbox the product. Let's see what all thing comes along with it. It's a light box. This is the manual. It's ME card. Something small. This is the light cord. This you can hold your embroidery, and this is the main thing with which you are going to hold your fabric and your embroidery. So now guys, I'm connecting the charger now. So after connecting it, the light is blinking blue over here. So if yes, it's showing, and there are three focus points. You can dim it or you can make it more brighter also. If you hold it for some time, the brightness increases. Okay? It is dull. The brightness increases. This way it works. I'll just show you how you can trace it now. I have a bag, and from many days I wanted to put design onto it. So what I'll do, I'll put, and as you all can see, very easily and without any kind of tracing or any kind of using any carbon paper, I can use this. I can use I can just trace my design onto the fabric and use it and complete my embroidery. Okay, so this way, without any other marking, without destroying your fabric, without any marking of your blue or yellow carbon paper marking, extra markings here and there on your fabric. You can spoiling your fabric, you can do the embroidery. It can be traced on your fabric. That is what I wanted